Hey bro, after the release of chapter 1058, I am observing many One Piece fanboys fighting over a childish argument, including me by the way. First of all, I want to tell you about the background of this argument. In the chapter 1058, Oda clearly mentions about Hawkeye that he is the world's greatest swordsman and he has even greater sword skills than Emperor Shanks, and that's why he is worth of 3.59 billion berries. And after this, Mihawk fans be like, Shanks is a swordsman and Mihawk is the greatest swordsman of era. So that means indirectly Hawkeye is stronger than Shanks. Yes, you guys are right. Mihawk is better swordsman than Shanks. He has best sword skills than anyone in this era. I agree with it, but Hawkeye is stronger than Shanks. I totally disagree with this statement. This is a baseless conclusion. In sword skills, surely Shanks is inferior to Mihawk. But remember, he is not that weak as a swordman. He wielded his sword's Griffon. Yes, it is not a black blade like Mihawk have. The grade of Griffon is yet to be confirmed by the way. But anyways, Griffon is not a weak sword. We know about legendary battles of Shanks and Hawkeye. In these legendary battles, Shanks' sword survived against Mihawk's supreme great blade sword. And also, with this sword, Griffon, Shanks clashed with Whitebeard, who also has a supreme great blade. So it is clear, the sword wielded by Shanks is not a weak sword, and also he is not a weak swordman. Another most important thing, to win a fight, Haki takes place as a big role. You can damage a person who is better than you in terms of Haki. And as we all know, Shanks have one of the strongest Haki in the entire series, and probably best in this era. With his Conqueror's Haki, he can bring an admiral in the depth of despair, even from far away. From this, we can imagine what's the level of his strength. So Mihawk is better than Shanks in terms of sword skills. He is the greatest swordsman of era. But Shanks also not so far behind as swordsman. Shanks is better than Mihawk in terms of Haki. Of course, they both possess Yonko level strength, and both of them are on very same stage strength-wise. None of them is stronger or inferior to each other. But to be precise, Shanks is a tiny bit stronger than Hawkeye. And that is also the conclusion we can draw from their legendary battles. So that concludes my video, and you can tell your thoughts in comment sections who is stronger, Mihawk or Shanks. And sayonara!